If you've got a faucet that has a weak or intermittent water flow, you might suspect there's a problem with the faucet or maybe the water pressure. But here's a cure that works almost every time, and you don't have to call a plumber. First, remove the aerator, which is this fitting that screws into the bottom of the faucet. Now what the aerator does is it mixes water and air to create a nice even flow. If you ever wonder why you need an aerator, that's why. Without one, the water just comes shooting out. Now if you look closely at the aerator, you see it's full of small holes and vents on both sides. And that's what allows the air in to mix with the water. But these little holes and vents also collect mineral deposits and sediment. They become plugged up, and that's why you don't have a good flow of water. So the cure is to simply put it in a cup and add some white vinegar, which acts as a cleaner, and there's enough acid in there that'll dissolve the deposits, the mineral deposits on the aerator. So now you just let that set overnight, take it out, rinse it, and replace it. And now for only a few cents worth of vinegar, you solve the problem without having to call an expensive plumber.